Need help rewiring a dryer timer model M460-g Electrolux for Kenmore dryer C87022. I have 3 extra black wires and I don't know where they go. I have orange wire on A, red wire on B, and white wire on C. Beige wire on X. Now where do the other 3 black wires go? Please help.
Thanks for counting on us to help with your appliance problem. My name is XXXXX I look forward to helping you. The wiring diagram is below. The 2 black wires from the timer motor go to C and TM, the other black wire from below goes to R.
The 3 black wires are coming from the dryer, not the timer. Those 2 black ones from the timer are already on C and TM. So if I connect one to the R, where do the other 2 go?
That's odd, they are not shown on the diagram. Can you post a picture of what you see, please? The link below will explain how to post a picture. Click here.
I'm at work right now. I work late, so won't be able to until tomorrow. I did take a pic of what I hooked up on my phone, but it won't let me post it. What shall I do from here?
You can email that talks at XXXXX 30 and they will forward it to me.
Okay. Done. I emailed a few photos I had on my phone. Let me know if I can do anything else. Otherwise, I can email you again some more pics tomorrow.
I will get them, but it takes a little bit, usually a couple hours, so I will post back as quickly as I get them. Don't worry, we will get it figured out.
Thanks. I'm irritated. So frustrated. I should have copied straight from the old one, but it was out quicker than expected. I've learnt my lesson.
I totally understand, but worry not, we have the wiring diagram and pictures, we'll get it.
Here is the new one. The white wire on the bottom between TM and R was on the old one and I just transferred. But there are 3 wires coming from the dryer, not the new timer, that I'm not sure where to put. There are sort of H-looking things that would hold another wire on B and C and one the X and R. Hoping his helps.
What part number is XXXXX new timer? It should be NNN. I got your pictures, thank you. Can you tell where the black wires go to in the dryer? They don't show on the schematic?
Sure, I can get you the model number to the timer later. As well as some pics as go where the black wires go. As I remember, they are in a black little box. The other wires are on the sides of the dryer. Work till midnight, so may have to be tomorrow. Not off till Friday night. Hope you can help.
Oh, we'll get it. I am thinking they are the buzzer wires, going on the B and C terminals with the other wires. You can look at the old timer and see if those terminals have marks on them to verify. Just reply when you can, I am around all day and oftentimes in the evenings, too. I am in the MST time zone and usually start around 6 to 7 a.m.
Okay. Thanks so much. I'll email in the AM. Okay. Thanks so much. I'll email in the AM. Now we just have to work on the third black wire. It's in the mess of wires at the side of the dryer. Okay. Thanks so much. I'll email in the AM. Now we put it to the test tomorrow. The third black one is to the R right. I'll let H know how I make putt. Thanks again.
Correct, that wire should come up from the high limit thermostat that is mounted on the element housing. So, we just need to determine where those 3 black wires are coming from and we will be all set.
Okay, so I can't seem to send you any pics. I can't upload them for some reason. But the model number for the new timer is m460-g 1482810F or 011-85738-01. Those are all the number on the sticker. Sorry. One black wire is coming from a black box thingy at the back right of the dryer that houses all the wires on it. The other 2 are coming from a small black box that is mounted on the front panel, assuming this is the buzzer. Am I okay to hook up as you said?
Yes, I am very confident from looking at the schematic that is how they wire. Let me know what happens.
Yes, will do. Just taking the kids to school and then I will try it. Let you know.
You bet, thank you.
So all up and running, just waiting to see if the timer actually advances time. Smile.
Awesome, nice work. Keep me posted, I have no doubt it will be just fine, but I love to read success stories.
Whoop. It's working just great. Thanks for all your help.
That is awesome, you did great. Have a wonderful afternoon. It is warm and sunny here today finally. Montana.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.